Good evening. This is a quick tutorial for you on how to use Zoom for our virtual back to school night 2020. Our Zoom links for the virtual back to school night, August 20th, can be found under each teacher's presentation or down at the bottom under the selected office, counselor, or special services personnel. So if you need a pre-K Zoom to meet the teacher, you go under the presentation to find it. If you need the meeting ID or passcode, those will be listed as well. You click on a tab, say first grade, and there might be multiple teachers. So you scroll below, find the teacher's name you need, and there's your Zoom information. Now, once you have that, I'm going to use a fake one, just a fake Zoom just to walk you through this. So, whoops, went too far. So once you do that, you're going to click on the link, and that link will take you to the Zoom. And depending on if you've never downloaded it before, a box will pop up. This one is popping up because I have downloaded it before. If you've never downloaded Zoom, a box will pop up to prompt you to do that. So you're either going to get prompted to open Zoom right here because you've already downloaded it, or you'll need to download and run it before the meeting so that you have that ready. You can go to Zoom, just Google Zoom, and then click on it. See, it'll look like this. It's all blue. Zoom, and then you can get it downloaded from there too, or you can just try to join the meeting a bit early and get it downloaded when you're prompted. So once you do have it downloaded, you will then be asked to run or open Zoom. And so you're going to click that, and your little Zoom will pop up because it's down. You can join without video. And then it's going to say, please wait, the meeting host will let you in soon. And it'll have the meeting title. This is my fake meeting I set up, so it is my playground to show you how that will work. And if you run into any snags, you can just use the website version. Like if you're on a Chromebook and you don't want to download, if there's no app to download, if you're not prompted to download, then just use the website version. It will work just fine. So once you enter a Zoom, and depending on your browser, you may not, or not the browser, but depending on what device you're on, it may not be full screen. You have that option up in the corner where you can enter full screen. And then before you join, it's going to ask if you want to join with computer audio. Otherwise, you can wear headphones. If you have background noise going on in your house and you want to limit that, you can put on headphones. You can also test the speaker and microphone, or you can also join as just a phone call where you're just using, your voice and no video. So there's another way to do that as well. Well, we're going to go ahead and join with computer audio. Hi, everyone. I'm Mrs. Laura Steinbrink at the high school. Then if you will look down at the bottom, you will see that you have a way to mute. So it's right there, mute on my screen. I can click it, and then my voice will be muted in the meeting. And if you mute, you'll see that you'll get a notification because it hears you talking, but they can't hear you in the meeting. And that is helpful if you have people or pets or children in the background that suddenly are making noise because they can. So you might want to mute it, or, maybe something else happens, the phone rings or someone knocks on your door, you can mute. You can also stop video. I'm going to unmute. You can also stop video if, say, you don't want everyone to see your hair or your background, or, maybe you just finished working out, or you've had a long, hard day at work and you do not want them to see you, but you need to be in the meeting. you can go down to where it says stop video, which is right next to mute. And the other feature that you might want to use is the chat. So it's right down here in the middle. So the chat feature you can click on and a chat box will open up. You can slide it out of your way, and then you can also type in a message to everyone, or if there's multiple participants, you can select to just type to that person. We also have down at the bottom, if you look down again in the center, you can check participants and you can see who all is in the call. In this tutorial, I am the only one in the call, but otherwise you would see a full list of people. Okay, I hope that helps you with your Zoom meetings, and have a wonderful virtual back to school night.